Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my power hour for the month of October. On this particular day, it was super rainy and cloudy, which is very rare out here in the desert, so I was enjoying it. And I thought I would just get some cleaning done, light some candles, and it was the perfect day to clean. So this video is super special because it is in collaboration with my YouTube friend Kristin Kay. I have been watching her channel for so long now. She is flipping hilarious. I love her content. She does a ton of Dollar Tree DIYs, different reviews, cleaning videos. She will give you her honest opinion on her reviews, which I love. If you guys haven't checked her out yet, you totally need to head over there and tell her hi, tell her I sent you. You guys will get a kick out of her. She's great. And if you are here from Kristin's channel, hello and welcome. We would love to have you here, part of our little family. So I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and stick around, and let's get into it. So here is my list of what I would love to get done. I am not sure if I will get everything finished in an hour, but we are going to try. So I'm going to go ahead and start out in the master bathroom, and I'm using my NORWEX bathroom cleaning in the toilet. And then I'm just going to go through and clean off the countertops and everything, and then move on to the next room. So most of the cleaning products I use are either from NORWEX or the Grove Collaborative. I will link everything down below and tell you guys exactly what I use. On this particular day, I was using mostly my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent because it was a nice fall feeling day, and I just love the apple cider scent. So I have this mop from Amazon. It's a spray mop, and I love that you can put your own stuff in it, but the sprayer is awful. So I'm actually just using a mixture that I made up myself. It's got a little bit of dish soap, a little vinegar, and then water, and I'm just spraying that and then mopping it up because the sprayer on this is just not good. I need to look into it. Maybe it just needs to be cleaned. I don't know, but it's just not working right. And then now I'm just going to go on to washing some dishes. And if you guys have seen my other videos, you've seen I'm obsessed with this little soap dispenser brush from Grove Collaborative. It makes washing dishes so much more fun, and I will put a link down below for that too because I love this thing. And they were out of stock for a while, but they are back in stock and I love it. I can feel it, it burns inside. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside.
could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. 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 Hey, I'm here for you. Are you reading every message I send to you? Love is overdue, but you know that I could never give up on you. I won't close my door, no matter what you say, it's bringing you down. Your clothes are still on my floor. They speak to me now. I hope you have my heart with you somehow. I keep your picture close to my bed now, and waiting for the screen to light up, to light up, to light up. Hey, I'm here for you. Are you reading every message I send to you? Love is overdue, but you know that I could never give up on you. If you need room to breathe, then I've got lessons to learn. But you are worth the wait. I won't close my door. Whatever I might have done, don't wanna run. My love is just so much more. Hey, I hope you have my heart.
Okay, can we just talk about my 2-year-old's room? This was in the matter of 20 minutes. When she woke up this morning, I don't know, she just decided to pull every single toy out of her closet. And yeah, this is what it looked like. And she's 2, so she can help clean up, but sometimes it's just easier if I do it myself.
I could never give up on you. Nobody else can take your place. I'll never want somebody else. Hey, I'm here for you. Are you reading every message I send to you? Love is overdue, but you know that I could never give up on you. Hey, I'm here for you. Are you reading every message I send to you? Love is overdue, but you know that I could never give up on you.
I need new flavor,
reason to throw my game, not really why I came. Oh, do me a favor, pour me another glass, pour hearts that never last. Oh, take me, I'm a wild one, getting bored out looking for attention. I'm not looking to meet new friends. No, I've been looking for a lover instead, for someone I appreciate, and everything crossed my way. I love that I don't know you.
Alright guys, that does it. I am actually shocked at how much I was able to get done in this hour. Please don't forget to check out Kristin Kay's channel. You guys will love her. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a great one. Bye.
Up on the rooftop bar, don't really need to talk.